That is so good. Alright guys, so we just arrived at Blok M. This is known for cuisine, shopping. It's like an epicenter of all things about Indonesia. It's a very popular spot for eating out, nightlife, and everything else. Hi guys, Mike here. Unfortunately, the music that was playing at Blok M Square at the time was super loud. You could barely hear our voices, and there was an Asian food festival happening at the same time. Fortunately, we ran into a durian vendor, and if you don't know what durian is, it's a tropical fruit that's very popular in Southeast Asia. It's sometimes referred to as the king of fruits, and you'll know what I'm talking about because if you ever go to a grocery store and you smell that funky smell, that's durian. It has a pungent, unique smell to it. It has a spiky exterior, kind of like jackfruit, but not exactly like jackfruit. And this vendor was selling it by kilo. I believe it was 185,000 rupiahs per kilo, which is way too much for us. But Sheila loves to eat durian. I'm not such a big fan unless it's really, really ripe. But we decided to just get like half a kilo and give it a shot. The vendor here was actually gave Sheila a small taste just to see if she likes it, and it was okay for her. It wasn't super ripe. I don't think durian at this time is like the season for durian. So sometimes you'll find durian at these with street vendors, and they're not really like perfect time to eat them. For me, I've tried it before, and it's just not my favorite fruit. But gosh darn, she ate the whole box right here. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if you ever taste durian, but if it's not ripe, super ripe, I almost like gag. So, but yeah, Sheila loves durian, and she ate the entire half kilo by herself. As you can see, and I was just shocked because when I eat durian, I only eat a little bit, just because of the smell. Your breath is gonna smell for days eating durian.
Hello. Who wants to try this one?
This one? Yeah. What's the green?
Merah, Tiao, Bongo.
Bongo. Oh.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Okay, right.
Just one.
Here orkes.
I don't know. Only
Only QR.
Oh.
Yes, okay.
How much?
50,000.
The halo here is very expensive.
Yeah.
It's like 50,000
50,000.
for just
Rupiah.
one.
Yeah.
It's rupiah.
Wadikap. So
Yes.
Wadikap.
That's from Thailand.
Complete.
Yeah.
Wadikap. So sorry, the green.
We mean Bongo.
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 Yes.
Bongo.
Yeah.
Let me see what bongo. Oh. Kasi Thailand.
This one. It says
Yeah.
here.
The dessert.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Okay. go eat. Find a spot.
This treat was absolutely delicious, guys, especially on a hot and humid day. This reminds me of halo halo from the Philippines, which basically is like a mix. And this had sago filling, red beans, suju leaves, singkao, which is grass jelly, and palm sugar, and coconut milk. It didn't have shaved ice, but it just had cubes of ice, and this was absolutely refreshing. I could eat this every single day.
So apparently today is like a Thailand festival here in Jakarta. That's why there's a lot of Thai food. That looks good. I don't know if I could do it.
You can try it.
You like spicy? I don't know. I don't like spicy. Steak and crispy chicken. That's you. Fishball noodles. Was there anything you want to eat? Already full? I feel like I could eat something else, but maybe satay. Oh, satay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try some satay. Let's do beef, chicken. Can we do? Yeah. So we're gonna do both chicken and beef. So this is satay ayam is chicken. We're gonna order satay ayam, which is chicken. Satay mananggi sapi, which is beef. Then satay kulit, which is chicken skin. Very good, madam. Dang, she's in the mood today. Okay guys, this is my friend Ramadan. Say hi. Good satay. Satay. Satay ayam, satay sapi, satay kulit. That's that. Okay guys, so we just ordered a bunch of satay. Satay is barbecue Indonesian style. So we got satay ayam, which is chicken, satay sapi, which is beef, and then we got satay kulit, which is chicken skin. And then they give you rice with it, a scoop of rice. I think this is chili. And then they have a sauce that goes with each of the satay. Actually, only this one. There's no sauce on the barbecue sapi. But I think there's the most popular one here. This is satay ape.
Ayam.
Ayam, I'm sorry, ayam. Let's try. That is so good. Okay. Now this is beef satay sapa. So this is beef barbecue. Oh my god. Crispy, really good. This one is satay kulit. This is chicken skin. Let's try a little bit of that chili sauce here. So it's chicken skin, but it's not that crispy. So we're at the basement of Blok M. There are so many vendors here, guys, selling t-shirts, suitcases, pants, clothing, pasalubong, bags. I mean, you name it. They have everything in this one location. This is like your one-stop location to buy anything you need. I actually need some socks because I ran out of socks.
It's a one-stop shop.
Yeah. So we asked one of the vendors how much was like one of those t-shirts that have like Indonesia on it. It was 50,000 rupiah, which is about $3 in US, and then 178 pesos. But I'm sure you can bargain him down to like 40 or 30K. One. You should buy one.
For one, I cannot use it in
For your when you have a Indonesian friend that gets married, you can wear this. How much are those? Hello.
How much?
So this is 250,000 rupiah.
Discounted
Okay, so 200,000. So it's about $12. That's not bad. Let me look around. Okay, guys. So I kind of want this shoe right here. I've had this shoe before. Samba. How much? So it's 200,000 rupiah. So it's about $12. How much is this one? The Reebok. Oh. Oh, too big. Yeah, too big. All right, so most of the sizes here, guys, are pretty big, like size 10 or 11. Yeah, that's way too big for me. Yeah, that's, what size is that one? What size is that? 7.5. Oh, let me try. Yeah, let me try that one. Yeah, here, hold this. Perfect. You find my right size. All right, let's give it a shot. Alright, guys, Adidas. This is not the Samba, but I do like this style also. Take this off. It's a special. Let's see. Let's see.
The other one. The pair.
Ah, perfect.
Okay.
Can you do 30? 30K? How much?
200.
Give me best price. Yeah, it fits perfectly, so I'll take it. How much?
200.
200K? 200K. Can you do 150? Show her 150. Hold on.
Last price. Hmm.
150? No?
Murah sudah murah.
170.
Iya din.
200? No,
So discount turun.
No?
No.
Okay, one more. 190. It's okay? Okay, 190. Okay. Alright. We got 190. So how much is 190? Let me see. He's pretty.
$11.
So 190. It's $11, guys, for that shoe. Again, if you bought that shoe in the US, that's like at least $80, $90. So, in pesos, 677 pesos. Okay, gotta find some socks. I think it was by the exit. So let's go back to the exit. Okay. How much? $20 for one? You do 15? 1.5?
Yang 20.000 murah.
20? You do 1.7? Okay. Yeah, change.
Boleh, kos sepatunya bos, silakan. Boleh bos.
20?
Pas.
No,
kembali.
it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Thank you. All right, we're good. Oh. Wow. So this is a place where you can buy your wedding ring. You buy watches, shoes.
A lot more.
Okay guys, we're at Circle K and we wanted some ice cream and we just spotted Milo Ice Cream.
That one.
Huh? How do you open this thing? Okay. I'm gonna get me a Milo. Which one do you want? Want the other one? Okay. Sheila's gonna get the bar. Let's go. Do you have
Okay.
gum? This is gum? Yeah, let me put that first.
27.
27? Kit Kat. Oh, they do have show power here.
You want?
No, I'm good. They have show power here.
Try it lang.
No, I'm good. I'm so full. Okay, now. It's like ubi also. Yep. Yeah, show my ayams and bandung. Called Milo. Just an ice cream bar?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's just an ice cream bar made by Milo. Oh. Let's see if it tastes like Milo.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me try. Oh yeah,
It is like Milo.
it's like Milo. Reminds you of the Philippines.
I miss Pinas already.
This.
Want to try yours?
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna try this one. It's probably the same thing. It's just in a cup. Milo ice cream, chocolate flavor. Yep, that's Milo for sure. That's pretty good. I've never seen it like in ice cream form, so it's kind of cool to see. Because normally in the Philippines, we'll take the powdered Milo, we'll mix it with milk, and we just drink it like that. But this is an ice cream form. This is much better. Okay guys, this is the end of today's video and our last day here in Jakarta, Indonesia. It's been an amazing time visiting all these cool places to eat and explore. Thank you guys again for watching and thank you all for following us on YouTube. And as always, my name is Mikey.
And I'm Sheila. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos.
Again, thank you guys so much. We will see you on the next one. Bye.